So this video typically teach you how to import a watch on a wallet into a multi-coin wallet where you can send and receive cryptos. A watch on a wallet, you can only receive crypto but you cannot send, you can't make any transaction on a watch on a wallet. This is a simple tutorial on how you can import it into a multi-coin wallet. So one thing you want to do right now is to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel right now. To import a watch on a wallet. Okay, watch on a wallet only allow you to see the crypto in it, but you can't send those crypto out of it. So let's say you want to make a transaction with those cryptos, you want to transact those crypto, you want to send them out of this wallet. Now this is how you can actually import this watch on a wallet.
First of all, I'm going to go into my Trust wallet right here, enter my passcode. Alright, as you can see, this is a watch on a wallet. This wallet contains more coins than you could see right here, but because it's a watch on a wallet on a smart chain network, so that's why you are seeing on a smart chain cryptocurrency that are on this particular wallet. You can see this is a watch on a wallet. If I tap on it, it will take me to Trust wallet community. Alright, so if you tap on any crypto, it will tell you this is watch on a wallet. It tells you the transaction details. You see, you can only see the receive button active, and it gives you a notification that this is a watch on a wallet. Okay, but send button is inactive. Alright, if you are using an outdated version of Trust wallet, you could still tap on this send button, but it will pop up watch on a wallet. But in this new version of Trust wallet, it's totally inactive. Alright, so now first thing that you're going to do is to click on to recover this watch on a wallet is to click on settings. When you click on settings, you click on the wallet, and then you click on this plus button at this section right here where I just indicated. Click on that button right there, click on I already have a wallet, then you tap on multi-coin wallet. Alright, now so what you need to do is to grab the recovery phrase to that watch on a wallet, which is, if you are the person that created the watch on a wallet that have the wallet, it means that you have the recovery phrase. So you grab the recovery phrase from where you wrote it down or from where you saved it and put it in the recovery phrase section. Or if you have the private key to the wallet, if you're the one that owns the wallet, you put it in the private key section. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna just fix in my recovery phrase, and then once I fix in my recovery phrase, I'm just going to be able to recover my watch on a wallet. It will load up this way, like that, and then you see it like this. So because it's imported as a multi-coin wallet, you will see that even cryptos on 𝗓𝗓𝗡 that is on the wallet pops up. Alright, so if anybody tells you, okay, you can grab random wallet address from the blockchain and then they'll provide the recovery phrase for you to that wallet, then it's a very big scam. It's a lie. Nobody can do that. As at the moment I'm making this video, you can only recover wallet that you have the recovery phrase to. So if you have any challenges as such like this, you're unable to import your wallet, you're unable to import your wallet into a watch on a wallet, please do well to send me an Instagram message, or you send me an email, and then I'll respond as quick as possible. So as you can see right here, just like it was in the other watch on the wallet, this one now I can send. There is a sending and there's a receiving button. It's not telling you watch on a wallet, and everything is just going. Alright, so in the next video I'll show you how to create a watch on a wallet for cryptocurrency of different network, like this particular one is 𝗓𝗓𝗡. How to create a watch on a wallet for 𝗓𝗓𝗡, how to create a watch on a wallet for Avalanche tokens and other BEP20 token. Alright, so be sure that you actually subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.
So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.